A message from the Spirit in nature regarding integrity. Have you ever smiled at a tiny new bud on a branch of a tree in spring, stood in awe of its color in autumn, and watched the same leaf flutter gently to the ground, and then gather it up to feed and nourish the soil? It is such a short lifespan as compared with your physical journey, and yet it has shared its mystical uniqueness every step of the way. From the time it bursts forth as a tiny bud, just longing to share with all physical beings upon your planet Earth its life-giving breath, to the time it lies as if lifeless upon the earth, the energy and vibration of the leaf is powerful and strong. It offers many significant signposts along the pathways of life. It shares its magnificent wisdom with all who are willing to listen, and the spirit of the leaf offers powerful life lessons and healing to those seeking not only to exist, but to shine. This magical leaf is crying out to be heard before it returns to the soil from which it came. So often in your physical life, the journey wears you down. You think your time has passed, and you miss sharing the brilliance that lies within you. You fail to recognize the jewels that make you the unique, magnificent spirit that you truly are. And yet, the world awaits your gifts. The world awaits the moment that you step out in faith and shine. And when that moment arrives, all of creation smiles and sings your song. You are so loved.